After homing the machine, you can select the memory key. Turn these down the first time to about 25% so that the machine doesn't move quickly. You don't want it to move in a direction you're not expecting, so make sure everything is working correctly before you speed these up. Then you can press the start button. If the head was already at center, it will travel and do its program. If it wasn't at center, it's going to move to where the start positions for the program are. See how slow the head's moving? Now I move back to 100%. Now the head is moving much faster. Once it returns to home or to start position, it will stop. To move the machine manually, select jog, select an axis, and then the plus or minus. We are going to move back, so I'm going to move the minus key. If you want to move toward home position, push the plus key. You can select another axis like the Y, and then by pressing and holding, it'll move the Y to its new position. Z, same way. Minus is down, plus is up. There is a chart right there which tells you which direction the buttons will make each axis move. If you press the home now, or the start key, it is going to go back to its home or start position. But you have to hit the memory key first and then start. Back to zero position.